So basically, I'm gonna show you guys the workspace. Again, this all needs to be cleaned out. I'm gonna be doing most of that today. But yeah, okay. So here's the garage. But basically, we got our screen machine. Yes, it's the Amazon screen machine. It's the newer one, so a lot of the little bugs have been worked out. I'm gonna be burning screens there. My little DIY homemade, rig to burn the screens. This is a work table. It's gonna get cleared off, and yeah, I also have, which I haven't built yet, but I do have a air dryer, a heat dryer, and I need to get that out and build it. But again, I'm new at this, never done it before, just getting started. But this is kind of, where that part of it's going to go down, the silk screen portion of it. This is not a full garage cleanup. This is just to tidy up so we can get to the screening stuff. Tape belt. Have your tape on a belt. You should. It's really easy to carry. Tools. We like Milwaukee around here. But to each its own. I got this speedball acrylic. I don't know what you guys think about this. It's what I got though. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's just white. For the most part, we're going to be doing black shirts, white ink. Start, because that's what we got. So bidet, got it from my brother-in-law. I guess he doesn't like clean ass. I do. I love bidets. It's one of the best things in the world. Thoroughly like my bidet. You've never felt as fresh. Ooh, loud, sorry. This right here is the emulsion, AP blue. That's what I'm using for emulsion. Sorry I didn't have the lights on. Again, I haven't done this in a long time. I don't know why I didn't have the lights on. I also had to adjust the settings on the camera. I haven't been shooting with this camera. I haven't pulled this camera out of its case in probably 2 years. So, yeah, sorry about that. Teddy Ruxpin. What you guys know about that? Huh? Anybody know about that? Whoops. Anybody know about Teddy Ruxpin? Old school classic. You guys leave in the comments how many coolers you guys have. I mean, right now, just Here I'm counting 1, 2, 3. Right in front of me, 4. I know I have at least 3 in the back of the house. How many do we need? Let me know. Let me know how many we need. Is there a limit on coolers? I mean, how many is enough? Too many? Is there such thing as too many coolers? Let me know. Screens, here's the screens. Got these on offer up. Brand new, never used. Cheap. Whew. Oh, hell, I'm sweating in the rain. Fat guy problems. $13,000 coolers. Somebody missing a cooler? Might have it. Cool ass crate. This crate. It's the little things, huh? Old school. Sandlot vibes. Oranges. My father-in-law, he works in agriculture, so he brings walnuts, oranges, best oranges, Sumu oranges, if you don't know. Now you know. Alright, so now to the office space. Chips, sodas. So the brands that we're going to be working on, one of them is AngWish, which is my clothing company. AngWish is, you could Google it, but it's basically pain, difficulty. I can give you a breakdown of the exact definition, but look it up. Definitely has to do with pain and suffering. Black and mild. Just a bunch of shit in here. The other one is my wife's brand, and her brand is La Madre. And basically that is kind of a paying homage to her grandmother. And she's really going to be the one who's handling that. Kobe. I ended up ordering the wrong transfer paper. I ordered clear, and it had to have this coating on it. So it just came in yesterday from Amazon. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that. That's going to be also a little weird because I've never done it before, and I'm going to do it my way, not the exact way that I've seen, and it's probably not the right way, but I'm going to end up doing it my way because it's the only way that I'm going to be able to right now. I don't have a large printer, so I'm going to kind of piece my design together. I have not burned my first design yet, so I have to get that started. All right, guys, so basically I'm working on the artwork for AngWish, our first run, the first print. This is like the meat and potatoes here. This is This is for all the marbles here. This is gonna be my first design for the brand. Again, this is first time I've ever done anything like this. I've never worked on anything like this. I don't know Adobe very well, but I'm learning. So this is my design. I designed this. This is my first design that I've done. This is gonna be on the back. So this went in like this because the X, oh, where's the fucking X? So obviously that's not how you spell anguish, but that's the way I'm spelling it. So you got the PDF. So if you guys didn't know, I didn't know, but a PDF is the same as a vector file. So if you don't know how to print vectors, or you don't see the option to print a vector, or having trouble with the vector shit, basically a PDF is the same exact thing. So now you know. I didn't know. So let's see, airdrop to myself. I'm Victor, by the way. Okay, got the airdrop. Didn't that print on the sticky side? Shit. What the fuck? Oh, it's not quite as dark as I want. But I think if we double it, might work. Which I should have left the fucking goddamn guidelines, but hey, you know, shit's not perfect, man. This is my first run here. First run, guys. Ah, shit, read the little paper. All right, guys. All right. Sorry. Fuck me in the ass. Shit. Fucking rookie. I'm a rookie here, guys. But definitely needs to be darker. So if we double it up, damn, it's still not good, man. It's a little bit darker, but why is it's not looking like exactly the way I want? That's the front logo. That's the pocket logo. Is that even big enough? Oh, maybe I should go a little bigger. Alright guys, we got some stuff to work on here. Let me just put one of these together and see where we're at. As far as sizing, I'm wasting a bunch of this shit. I should have did this. Wasting a bunch of these sheets. Should be all right. Pocket logo needs to be bigger. Okay, so basically that's gonna go something like that. But I'm gonna have to take this to probably Kinko's or something for this first run to get it right, to get the color right. I mean, it's just too dark. I mean, it's too light. You can see right through it. You know, it needs to be really, really dark. Fuck. So basically there's like a glossy side and then there's a matte side. That's the way I would describe it. Basically you have to print on the matte side. not sticky. I wouldn't say sticky. The YouTube video I looked at, it says print on the sticky side, but in my opinion there's no sticky side. It's more of a matte side and a gloss side. So you want to print on the matte side, not the glossy, not the sticky side actually. Okay, so basically it's like this. Why does this look janky? Alright, so it's kind of how it's supposed to look. Is that too big for the back of a shirt? Or way too big?